Yo, what's up guys, Taveras Media here, back with another video, and again I'm doing another bot tutorial video. My next video is going to be how to create an automotive dealer AI chatbot to help customers find, automotive cars on dealerships websites and help them with their, integration process. In today's video we're going to be doing how to create a chatbot that will be able to, work for retail purchases or e-commerce brands. Now this is going to be a free template that Voiceflow provides. I'm just doing a breakdown of the bot so you guys understand how the bot is built and how it works, and I'll leave the link to the template in the description below so you guys can use this bot to either study and break it down and reverse engineer it. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be reverse engineering this bot. I'm not doing a full bot build like how I do in my other videos because some people just want to understand how the bot works rather than trying to build the entire bot, which takes a couple hours. So let's just hop straight into it, and this is just our main workflow right here. So let's just get straight to it. So we have multiple flows, as you can see. So we have a customer service flow, shop products flow, orders and purchases, and returns and exchanges. So if we go to each one, we have their own nodes right here, another one right here, shop products, right here, orders and purchases. So every single flow has all their nodes separated, and then returns and exchanges as well, right? So, and then we also have our components, which is search. These are going to be the API calls. So search Zendesk ticket. So as you can see, you can submit a ticket to our support team. What's your name? It's capturing the user's name, the user's email, capturing the question, right? Check request, and it's going to do a API post call to your Zendesk, and you would just use the API call to that. And then it has the retry and error prompt, plan routing, and so forth, right? And the same thing with order information. It's capturing the order number, sending it out to Airtable to get the order information from Airtable, or you can use Shopify, whatever e-commerce brand you're going to be, your client is going to be integrating with. You just use their API call information, they should have it, and you can literally get all the order informations in the click of that. Same thing right here, get account information. So let's just go from the start, and let's just break it down and reverse engineer it from the beginning and the get-go, right? So we have all of our components or all of our flows right here linked up. So when people introduce themselves to the chatbot, it's going to say hello, welcome back, first name, right? So what it's going to do first is going to get the account information. So what it wants to do is capture their user and understand who it's dealing with to make it more personalized and more engaging. So they can say, hey, Brandon, or hey, Jacob, so they know your first name and so forth. So this is our starting flow, get customer information right here. This is the component. So we go get account information. It's going to go ahead and add your Airtable API key, so forth. It's going to catch, it's going to go do a get API call request to Airtable, get the customer's account information, and then it's going to know all the information about them and so forth. So we're going to just click start, and we're going to show you guys how this works and just testing it out, make sure it's trained. We got to train the system, the NLP technique. We always got to make sure that that's also, trained, because this is a language model. So let's go and let it train for a second. Alright guys, it's done training, and now let's just run a test and we can understand how this bot works, reverse engineering it. Welcome to Voiceflow Beauty Shop. We are happy you stopped by. How can we make you look absolutely fabulous today? How can we help you today? So it did get account information, and it said that account was not found, obviously, because there's no API request information. This is just a blank bot template, so we have to obviously put that in just to actually get the account information, right? So welcome back, first name, whatever, and if it doesn't work, then it's just gonna go right here. So how can we help you today? We're gonna go ahead and just say, let's shop beauty products. We're gonna do all of them one by one. So shop beauty products, and boom, it takes to this flow, right? So this flow right here says, which of our best sellers would you like to see? These are the buttons that you add, right? So we're gonna break this bot down. Products, which would you like to see our best sellers? You add the buttons, so right, buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so forth. You have skincare, hair, makeup, and so forth, and then it leads to all other nodes. So as you can see, if we click, let's say makeup, it's going to take us to this node, and this node has its own separate card. And the reason why I like Voiceflow is because it allows images, which BotPress really doesn't. Like, BotPress is not that versatile. So here are our best selling makeup options, right? So boom, we got our image right here. So you guys can just go to carousel. You literally go to talk, add carousel, and you can add your cards, your images, and so forth. As you can see, boom. Okay, and then same thing for skincare. Again, carousel adds the images, and you can even add links. So as you can see, you can add image links, right? And then once they click it, it'll take them to Sephora.com and add it to cart, and it does it for the rest. So again, we're gonna go and test this node out and just make sure it works in the chat. So we'll just say makeup, and this is what the bot will do. Cruelty free, boom. This is really nice. Again, this is a very simple bot. It's not that generative in terms of language prediction. So like if we say, tell me about the plush pudding intensive, or let's just say, tell me about the lip power Satan long lasting lipstick. And you can see that it doesn't even identify it. And as you guys can see, it just breaks down. So you have to train your bot. You guys do not get caught up in too much of task execution and funneling, right? So dialogue creation, you actually have to, make the bot, actually generative. It needs to be able to understand linguistics. It needs to understand, intents and utterances and entities and so forth. Because if you're just, doing it all like this, where they're just clicking buttons and so forth, I mean, that's not truly a bot. Again, this is just something you learn from. So as you can see, this one works. Now let's go back here, and we're gonna try this again, and we're gonna just go to orders and purchases now. We're gonna reverse engineer that part. Orders and purchases, boom, it takes us here. It looks like you need help with an order. Are you reaching out about an order you've already placed? And then we can say, let's just say yes. We can say check order status. It's gonna do an API call to check order status. Please enter your order number, blah, blah, blah. It's not gonna work, obviously. Seems like your order has been delivered. Again, remember guys, and it shows us the image, which is pretty cool. But again, this is just, guys, this bot is literally nothing. Like, this is literally just like a whole template for you to learn off. You cannot really use this for actual, like actual e-commerce stores. You have to really build it from the ground up and make it, generative. That's why I have my own, I have my own provider where I have full in-depth NLP techniques where I can train the bot to understand language. These bot builders are not very generative, guys, honestly. It's something you can start with, but if you actually want to create literal, legit language models and actual chatbots that can actually converse with and not just do clicking buttons and showing images, then you guys are gonna have to find a proper provider or use, Flowwise or LangChain to build from the ground up. But this is just free templates that you guys can learn from. You could definitely service some beginner bots with this, like Airbnb. Definitely e-commerce stores for this. Just make it make it conversational is what I mean. You have to make it conversational. So this is definitely a good thing to start off with, but you cannot just service it like this. With all this right here, what you need to do is take this template and make it conversational. So go into the knowledge base, add data, add information, right? Go into, NLU model, natural language understanding model, and you need to train all the intents and add, multiple synonyms and antonyms, utterances and patterns and so forth, guys, because that's how you make the bot actually, conversational. It needs to understand language. It cannot just be a prompting engine. So there we go. We have this orders and purchases. We'll do it again. So start again, right? Looks like you need help with an order. Are you reaching out about an order you already placed? Let's just say no. Would you like to talk to an agent? Say yes, and it's gonna search Zendesk ticket. Boom, it takes us to the next flow. You can submit to our ticket to our support team. We'll get back to you via email. We'll just say Brandon. Now it's capturing our information. Same thing that I've taught you guys in my other videos. gmail.com. And then again, it asks the inquiry. Capture the inquiry. I want to refund my makeup, right? And then it's gonna do. It needs to be at least 80 characters. Okay, which is kind of stupid. I don't know why they added that. Let's go ahead and redo that. I'll just do this. And I'll just paste it like 1,000 times. There we go. Should work. And yeah, it says error because there's obviously no, API information. And then here we go. We have the header information right here, so which is pretty cool. You can guys copy that as a template. And that's really it, guys. I mean, there's nothing really else to this bot. We got the order information. It's very simple. This bot should take you about like a week to build and fully train. All the task executions, so this is like task executions right here, that can take you a day itself. The actual training of the bot will definitely take you longer, because intent identification is not a joke. So that's really it, guys. I just reverse engineered this entire bot. We'll just start off again right here. Let's just say we do returns and exchanges. It takes us to here, order intro. Want to learn about return order, and then we'll just say yes. Boom, boom. Items can be return policy. We can click that, and it just takes us to Voiceflow. You can put whatever link you want. Would you like to talk directly to an agent? We'll just say no, and it'll say how else can I help. Listening for intent. Let's just say tell me about makeup, and it's gonna just say nothing because there's no knowledge base. So yeah, guys, that's really it. This is the reverse engineering and breakdown of how you guys can build, an e-commerce bot. I'll leave the template in the description below. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because my information is time sensitive. And if you guys want to stay up to date on the AI automation agency and being able to grow your agency, definitely subscribe and turn on post notifications. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. See you guys later.